How to make the noise swipe transition.
I was born in the darkness of my hunger and pain.
Today's video is sponsored by a young artist and wannabe me, Martin Scorsese.
So what you see there is very real.
Add a cross-dissolve transition between your clips, right-click on it, and select Open in Fusion page. Double-click in the cross-dissolve node to open it, select the dissolve, go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to expo. Go to the Effects library, under the Tools, Warp, and bring the drip node to your flow. Change the shape to random, adjust the frequency if you want, and right-click in the Amplitude slider. Select Modify with Anim Curve, and go to the Modifiers tab. Activate the mirror box, change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to sine. You can increase the strength of it by increasing the scale slider. Go back to the Tools tab, right-click to the center value, and select Modify with XY path. Go to the Modifiers tab, double-click to reset the X and Y value, choose the one that you want, right-click on it and select Modify with Anim Curve. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to expo. For those who are supporting this channel, I've made a preset and already sent it to you. Just drag and drop the transition between your clips, and you can adjust the strength of it right in the edit page. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, it is what it is.